Let's unlock some of Telegram's best kept secrets. I've got 4 incredible tools you need to try.
You probably use Telegram every day, right? But do you know about its secret superpowers? All right, first up, the Creative Bot. What if you need to make a cool video super fast? Meet the Texting Story Bot. It takes a simple text conversation and turns it into a fun video. And it's so easy. Find the bot, type your combo, and you get your video. That's it. Next up, the Privacy Protector. Are you sick of getting spam every time you sign up for something? Well, the Temp Mail Bot is your secret weapon. It generates a temporary email address on the spot. Use it for verification codes and say goodbye to spam in your real inbox forever. Okay, now for some fun. Want a totally unique way to wish a friend a happy birthday? This is the Avatarify bot. It can animate any photo, turning it into a hilarious talking video. You take a normal photo, and with a little magic, you get a hilarious birthday video. And finally, the ultimate productivity hack. I'm calling this one the Student Superbot. Meet the Seats Bot. This thing is a powerhouse that summarizes long YouTube videos for you. So think about it. You've got a 1-hour lecture you're supposed to watch. A whole YouTube lecture. You need the info, but you just don't have the time to sit through it. Now, what if you could get everything you need from it in just 5 minutes? That's exactly what this bot does. It creates a summary you can read in just minutes. No wonder people are saying this bot is an absolute boon for students. It's a game changer. So let's do a quick recap. We've got bots for creativity, privacy, fun, and productivity. So there you go. You've got the secret tools now. Which one are you going to try out first?